Story out of Corpus Christi. Sponsored by Carl Jr. Ken Hobbs out of Corpus Christi. Sponsored by H&H Iron and Metal, ARC Demo, Red Bailey's Tavern. Starting fourth, the 89 seed, last night's winner, Steve Whitaker Jr. out of Corpus Christi. Sponsored by WW Bodies, ARC Demo, Jana Shuri, T. Roberts Optical, Express Race Car, Showtime Signs, Mom and Dad, Center Motorsports, SRC Performance, and QA1 Shocks. Woo! Starting fifth, Dwayne Norvell in the Jury Car, sponsored by Light System. Starting sixth, our A11, Steve Thomas Memorial Car, driven by Ricky Long out of Edinburgh, Texas. Starting seventh, the 2R Ray Shawman out of Corpus Christi, sponsored by Apollo Towing and Easy Rider Wrecker. And bringing up the rear, the 3C James Lee. Talked about ARC Demo, Just Bill Racing and Midway Motors. The lights are out, and here they come. Keep an eye on that 21 on the pole. Oh, whoa! Red light, red light. Get some people over there, please. Red light, red light. Jenny, let him go. He can go down there. That's too bad. He's already out. He's already out. Go on. Watch the race car. Quick exit. Wow, not what we wanted to see tonight. Or any night. Out of James Starry. Just some bad luck there. Got up high, got trying to go around the 1C on the outside, got a little too high, got his right rear up into the fence. That wall will eat you up. We'll get the EMS to check him out. Make sure he's all right. There he is. Give him a wave. Y'all give him a round of applause. Let him hear about it. With the bow. All right, I'll start off. That's two flips. He went wheel to wheel what I saw twice. I'll start off the rollover fun at $20 cash right now. Let's see what y'all got. Let's help things out. Prepare that car and return to racing. So we got 20 started right now from the Turn 5 bar downstairs. We started out with $20. Anybody wanting to donate, put your business name out there to help James start. You come up here and let me know. We'll put a little money in the rollover fund. All right, we got $20 from Jesse Hernandez of cash. Help that boy get that car back together. All right, we got some money out of A10 Safe and Lock here. Thank y'all for helping out James Starry with the rollover fund. All right, we got $200 out of H&H Iron and Metal. How about a round of applause? H&H Iron and Metal putting up $200. Anonymous just threw in some cash. $8 from them. Keith and Don just threw in some cash. My buddy just controlled the front of my window right here. We got another 20 coming out of this picture over here.
Donating.
We got some more money out of our 50-50 winners on the setup. 20 there. Thank you, sir. We got $100 out of James and Sue Light. Thank you very much, Sue. $20 out of the Perez Family Racing. Thank you folks so much for contributing your hard-earned money to help James get his car back together with his rollover fund. Got another anonymous in the process. Thank you again, Sue, for the 100. That was awesome. I done lost track. I'm going to try to keep y'all down a little bit. Here we go. Back to racing. WW Body, Janelle Shuri, T. Roberts Optical Express.